Hi! So, I'm not sure if you can... Maybe I should fix this. No. Alright. So, hi! Yeah, so, someone mentioned a how do you sound like thread, because some people have accents and some people don't. I don't know. So, I decided, why not? But the only way I can really record my... fuck that sentence. The only way I can record my voice is if I make a little video. So here I am. And now you've heard me pretty much talk how I usually do, which is retarded, because I talk retarded for some reason. No offense to retarded people or mentally handicapped people. So now that I've made an ass of myself, I'm gonna stop the video. This is how I sound like. Yep. Awkwardly reach for the camera and turn it off. Bye.